Friends, today I am again showing you the queen of the night, the most beautiful flower. Today in my balcony there are almost 9 or 10 flowers, and it's like very good day for me. I will show you this beautiful flower. It's a very big flower if you can compare with my hand. See, it's a very big and beautiful flower, and there are many flower buds. So I believe by tomorrow all of them will blossom. So you can see two flowers are here, and one here, and see how it comes out of leaf. So two are here, and two more here, and two more here. So almost 10 flowers today I can see. And today it's a rainy night. You can see the various other hanging pots in my balcony. I will again make a video separately for hanging pots, but yeah, I will just quickly show you. This is called a rabbit's tail, and it's a very beautiful plant. But yeah, today I am just making video for this particular flower. And this is the first time I am seeing so many flowers on a single day or a single night. And you know, this flower only blossom in the night, means after 9-10 o'clock, or mostly at the midnight. And in the morning you can't find flower like this. And it's only one night this flower will blossom, and then it will die down during the daytime. See how amazing it is. Wow. Okay, until my next video, bye bye.